The world is on the cusp of a revolution, one that will change the fabric of our daily lives and industries forever. We're not talking about some distant future, but a reality that's unfolding before our eyes. The AI revolution is coming, and it's being driven by the rise of conversational AI. You've probably already heard of ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that can hold conversations with humans that are uncannily like those between two people. It's not just a novelty, it's a game changer. With its ability to understand context and respond accordingly, ChatGPT has been touted as one of the most significant advancements in AI in recent years. But here's the thing, ChatGPT is not an isolated phenomenon. There are already several other chatbots in development that promise to disrupt industries across the board. We're talking about tools that can replace human customer support agents, revolutionize language translation, and even create personalized content at scale. One such tool is Google's Bard, which has been touted as a rival to ChatGPT. But it's not just big players like Google that are getting in on the action. Smaller startups and independent developers are also working on their own conversational AI projects, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with language processing. According to recent reports, the global market for conversational AI is expected to reach $14 billion by 2025, up from just $2.5 billion in 2020. That's a growth rate of over 460% in just 5 years. And it's not hard to see why. Companies are recognizing that conversational AI has the potential to save them time and money, while also improving customer satisfaction. But here's the thing, this revolution is not just about technology, it's about how we interact with each other and our surroundings. With conversational AI on the rise, we're on the cusp of a fundamental shift in human communication. As we stand at the threshold of a new era in human history, the lines between humans and machines are becoming increasingly blurred. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence have given rise to revolutionary tools that can comprehend, learn, and respond to language inputs with uncanny accuracy. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has been making waves in recent times, with its ability to engage in coherent conversations that rival those of humans. But what does this mean for industries that rely heavily on human interaction? The impact is set to be seismic. From customer service to education, healthcare, and finance, no sector will remain untouched. According to a report by Gartner, AI-driven chatbots are expected to handle over 85% of all customer inquiries by the year 2025, rendering many current call center jobs obsolete. In the realm of education, tools like Cogito's AI-powered tutoring platform are redefining the way students learn and interact with their teachers. With an estimated $2.7 trillion spent on education globally each year, such innovations have the potential to revolutionize the industry. Meanwhile, in healthcare, AI-assisted diagnosis is being hailed as a game-changer, with IBM's Watson Health system already demonstrating a remarkable 95% accuracy rate in detecting diseases from medical imaging data. In finance and banking, virtual assistants are being deployed to provide personalized financial planning and investment advice. The potential for cost savings and increased customer satisfaction is immense. However, with the rise of these AI-driven tools comes significant disruption. Industries will need to adapt quickly to avoid becoming redundant, as automation and AI continue their relentless march forward. In recent years, the development of natural language processing, NLP, technology has been accelerating at an unprecedented rate. The emergence of chatbots like ChatGPT, which can engage in human-like conversations and answer complex questions with ease, is a testament to this progress. But what's even more remarkable is that similar AI tools are being developed across various industries, each with its own unique capabilities. For instance, Meta's Llama is another large language model that has shown impressive results in conversational AI. Developed by the same team behind Facebook and Instagram, Llama uses a massive dataset of text to generate human-like responses. What's striking about Llama is its ability to grasp nuances of language, including idioms, sarcasm, and even humor. Another significant development is Google's Bard, which has been making waves in the tech community with its impressive conversational capabilities. Developed by Google's research team, Bard uses a combination of AI and machine learning algorithms to generate human-like responses. What sets Bard apart from other chatbots is its ability to understand context and adapt to new information on the fly. IBM's Watson Assistant is another notable example of AI-powered conversational tools. Used in various industries, including healthcare and customer service, Watson Assistant uses natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to provide accurate and personalized responses. What's most exciting about these developments is that they're not just limited to a single industry or sector. The technology behind these chatbots can be applied across various domains, from finance and education to marketing and entertainment. As AI continues to advance at an exponential rate, it's clear that the potential for disruption is vast and far-reaching. As we explore the capabilities of these ChatGPT-like tools, it's essential to examine their deeper implications. The emergence of such technology raises fundamental questions about the role of human workers in various industries. Take, for instance, the customer service sector. With AI-powered chatbots capable of empathizing and problem-solving at scale, companies might reduce their reliance on human representatives. According to a report by Accenture, 89% of businesses already use or plan to use chatbots to enhance customer experience. However, this shift also sparks concerns about job displacement. A study by the McKinsey Global Institute predicts that up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation by 2030. While some industries will inevitably be disrupted, others will find new opportunities emerging from these technological advancements. For example, AI-powered writing assistants like WordLift and Content Blossom are already being used in content creation, freeing human writers to focus on high-level creative tasks. In the realm of education, tools like Coda and Notion are redefining the way students interact with knowledge. These platforms offer a more engaging and adaptive learning experience by leveraging AI-driven analytics and personalized feedback loops. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of these ChatGPT-like tools, it becomes clear that their impact will be multifaceted and far-reaching. But what about the ethics surrounding such technology? Who owns the intellectual property generated by AI-powered chatbots? How do we ensure accountability in situations where machines are making critical decisions? As the lines between human and machine continue to blur, these questions become increasingly pressing. The future of work, education, and customer interactions hangs in the balance, awaiting the answers that only time and further innovation can provide. As we've explored the capabilities of ChatGPT and other AI chatbots, it's clear that their impact will be felt across various industries. But what happens when these tools become even more sophisticated? What if they can learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and generate content with uncanny accuracy? Consider Google's latest experiment, Lambda, language model for dialogue applications. This AI has already shown remarkable ability in conversational dialogue, generating text that is virtually indistinguishable from human language. It's not hard to imagine a future where Lambda and similar tools become the norm. Take the travel industry, for example. Imagine being able to converse with a virtual concierge who can not only answer your questions but also make personalized recommendations based on your preferences. This is already possible with companies like TripIt, which use AI-powered chatbots to assist travelers in planning their itineraries. But what about healthcare? AI-driven diagnosis and treatment plans are becoming increasingly common, especially with the rise of digital health platforms like Babylon Health's AI-assisted doctors. Patients can now consult with virtual doctors who can analyze symptoms, suggest treatments, and even prescribe medication, all remotely. The implications are staggering: more efficient communication, reduced costs, and improved outcomes. It's not just about replacing human professionals, it's about augmenting their capabilities to create a more seamless experience for customers. The convergence of AI and industry is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. Companies like IBM, Microsoft, and Amazon are already investing heavily in AI research, recognizing the transformative potential of these technologies. As we edge closer to this tipping point, one thing becomes clear: the future is not just about automation, it's about reimagining how we work, interact, and live together with machines. As we've explored the 5 AI-powered tools that are set to disrupt industries worldwide, it's clear that the impact will be profound. From chatbots like Meta Llama 3 and Google Bard, to text-to-image generators like DALL-E, these innovations are not just incremental improvements, they're game changers. By harnessing the power of large language models and generative algorithms, businesses can now automate complex tasks, enhance customer experiences, and unlock new revenue streams. But what does this mean for you? If your industry is not already